Barbell squats gives you issues in your back, shoulders, or elbows? Good news is you don't have to use the barbell in order for you to squat, and you don't need the barbell to get bigger or stronger legs. Here are 3 alternatives. First option is the squat safety bar. If you have access to one, highly recommend using this. It takes a lot of pressure off the shoulders and elbows with the hands out in front for this squat variation. Second option is a Zercher squat. Yes, it is a barbell, but it is off of your back and it feels much better for your back. You can still build really strong legs with the squat variation. Last one here is loved and hate by many, the Bulgarian split squat. With all the emphasis on one leg, holding the dumbbells by your sides takes a lot of the pressure off your low back. There you go, 3 different leg exercises for you to replace the barbell back squat to help you grow and strengthen your legs. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.